Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by pinpointing the pieces, base, argument, and output. Once done, label them as B, X, and Y so you can switch forms cleanly. Make sure X is positive and B is positive and not equal to 1. That condition matters because logs otherwise misbehave. Now take the equation log B, X equals Y, and prepare to rewrite it into exponential form. This first step removes ambiguity and sets up the direct transformation you will perform next. You now convert using the definition. Rewrite log B, X equals Y directly as by equals X, which gives you the exponential expression you need. If instead you must isolate Y, take log of both sides or use the inverse operation, Y equals log B X. When bases differ, apply the change of base formula log B, X equals log K, X slash log KB. This helps compute with common calculators. At this stage, perform algebraic simplification. You finish by isolating the variable in the exponential form, take roots or apply inverse exponents as needed, then simplify to your final result. Once you have a candidate solution, always substitute back into the original log equation to confirm validity, because extraneous results can appear when manipulating. If something goes wrong, check the domain constraints first. Ensure the argument is positive and the base is valid. Fixing a sign or base error usually resolves most conversion mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.